Back viewers, we're up here today and Jax is going to come out on the trail with his Honda 250R. Really clean bike. So here we go. I've never ridden with Jax up here in the woods, so I don't know what his comfort level is. We'll find out pretty soon though, I think. He's probably more comfortable than me. Dry trail. I think this is called School Bus Road or something like that. I don't know if there's actually a school bus, because there are people that live out here, so I don't know if there's actually a school bus that comes this way. I haven't been down this trail in a while. The last time I was, it wasn't too bad. What do you think? You want to try? I'm gonna look, hold on. That's not too bad. No problem. Not that bad. These are getting worse and worse. I'm going to follow you back through. Okay. Should I actually wore my trail boots, and now I can get some footage of him and his nice riding gear, his fancy riding gear. Well, it's not that it's really fancy, and okay, I'm a little bit jealous. I don't have anything like that, but I'm not a young man either. I almost ate it. We'll know when he stalls it, because that's a kickstart only. What was that noise?
What? I stalled it. I stalled it just now.
6 hours later.
riding behind somebody is that rooster tail of mud. I have to keep some more distance. This is only like the third time I've ever ridden in the woods with another person. The majority of the time I'm up here by myself. These tires I got are good for a little bit of mud. I guess I'll take the lead for a little bit. Not that he's doing a bad job. I don't want him to feel bad if he takes us on a trail that dies. Oh yeah. Those trails are a little bit wet. I gotta come back up here soon, and this is where I do my wheelies. Doesn't look too bad. Starting to look worse.
It's funny because one of the things I want to work on is clutch control, but I want to work with only one finger. I haven't gotten there yet. This is good.
I think my side stand switch got muddy. We got a problem, Houston. Now it won't start. I think one of my switches got wet. Jax is doing a really good job. This trail has been pretty muddy, and where it is flooded out, yep. We're not going that way. trail's not so bad.